Welcome guys. In this video, uh, it is just an introductory video. In that video, we are going to make this website in the Flutter web using the Flutter web. So what we are going to do is, it is an Applied website. It's a very good website. I personally do love this website in the company and do love the peoples because it is a very great community. So in this is only the introductory video. Uh, the purpose of making this website in the Flutter web just to make sure so that we can easily grasp all those things. For an example, till now we have created multiple containers and size box and multiple things, and also we have created an app before. If you have not checked my playlist, you can check that there. Okay, so in this video, it is just an introductory video in which we are going to develop this website in Flutter web. Okay, so it is just an introductory video, so I have to so I think it will be a pretty good what you can say, pretty good project, and we can also learn from this project also, because there are many things in the in this homepage of the apply.io. So what we are going to do is, we are going to create this thing. We are going to create all the website in Flutter web. And here's the point: in the previous project we have not created using the pure MVC architecture. Okay, but in this video, in this series of the video, we are going to create it using MVC architecture. Means we are properly following the MVC architecture, model view controller architecture, and in with the help of this architecture we are going to develop this website. We are going to create multiple things. So for the resources purpose, I'm going to write app right, and I'll say, I think so, there is a section of assets, I think. Yeah, assets. Okay. Logos and assets. So yeah, with the help of assets folder, I can easily access these type of assets, those colors, brand colors, those images. It is easily accessible to us. That is the main point of creating this, because the assets are really very important, because this image should be downloaded in a very good what you can say. I can do this, like I can snip it and save it, but it is not a very good practice, because the dimensions of this image and things could be different, and that Apple logo, Flutter logo, JS logo, Android logo, it should be good also. So yeah, so that is the reason we are using this logos and assets. And see here, like when we are going to light mode, it is converted into light mode. Okay, when we are going to dark mode, it is converted to dark mode. See, this is also a very incredible thing. Incredible doesn't mean like incredible, but we have to be this responsive also. So yeah, like you can easily see that those, I think there are real tweet, I think so. I think I don't know about the real tweets. So yeah, we are going to create this thing, and yep, that is it for this video. And yep, so if you are going to so yeah, let's go. So we get the background color. I can easily grab that background color. That logo, I can easily grab that upright logo. And the brand color is important. This both color are. And photos I easily get. So yeah, that is it for this videos. It is just an interactive video. And yep, in my future project, I also find two Figma file. It is completely open source of that file. Open source means you can easily create, you can easily take a reference from that file, and you will easily create that. So these are two awesome Figma files. It is coffee shop mobile app designing. This online bike shopping app. Okay, so yeah, see, it is a very good app. So we are going to create this app also. This design, I got it from Figma. It isn't completely open, what you can say, it means you can easily access that file. So I think visuals, yeah, see, it is a very good app. And I think license is you can use it a personal project, so I think it is a personal project, I think so. Selling or reselling, I am not going to sell this thing, and use it is not used in paid UI kit, okay. And reproduce this design only for multimedia projects, presentation or video. It is on video, so I think we does include in license terms and agreements. And I think it is a note, and if you want to support, and you can support that. Visuals we get there. Yeah, so it is a very good app for the beginning thing. Like, there are multiple options. We are going to create this thing also, like this delivery, and yeah, many more. So yeah, that is it. And online bike system, it is a very good app also. Yeah, so we are going to create this bike. Yep, fantastic design. Yeah, it is a very fantastic design. So yeah, that is it for the video. So it is just an interactive video, what we are what is coming in near future. So yeah, that is it. So so yep, let's uh so this is the end of the video. So see ya, goodbye, and have a nice day or night, and bye bye. And the first video of this app, right, will come very soon, as I got time, because I have like 1 to 2 projects in my hand, so it will take time. And yeah, and about the language barrier, so I think we're much more pretty comfortable in English language. So so yeah, from now on the videos will come in English. If you have any problem in English, you can comment me down, and I'll manage those things. Like, I'll create a separate channel for you. If you have any problem in English or Hindi, I'll make that Hindi content in that particular channel, and from this main channel I'll try to speak more of English thing. And in the that Flutter playlist which is going on, and it will go till the end of the, what you can say, I think so. There are many videos, I don't know how many, like more than 445. Yeah, more than 445 videos are there. So it will come in Hindi, and the project part of this series will come in English. So project is pretty important, and I wanted to understand all of the people's, like, only North India can't be, like South India should become, or whole India should, or whole, like, I'm not sure what I'm saying. So this is it for this video. So yeah, that is it. Keep sharing, keep supporting, and see ya. Have a nice day, and goodbye. See ya, tata, and bye bye.